In this training episode, we will focus on creating scene states for our 3D PDF exported files. We can create as many scene states as we want for variable lighting, camera positions, or furniture layouts similar to the scene we have here. After you are settled with the scene stats created, go to the 3D PDF settings. On the Viewing tab, you can choose the style of the buttons appearing on your PDF file. The buttons that allow you to preview and navigate through your scene states. Here we have chosen the Preview Images mode, giving a thumbnail button for each state. You can also customize your own buttons for any action, such as activating scene states using the PDF Template Designer, which will be explained later.